Hey, what's up? Jess here, and I have a special holiday treat for you. I'm going to teach you my new favorite styling technique that I call Elevate and Encircle. So let's get into it. First thing we're going to do is place a riser, and we want this riser to be pretty tall to lift the product up a couple inches, in fact. Next, we'll place our product. Now the real fun begins. I'm going to take one type of prop and repeat it all around my product. Since this candle is called Cranberry Woods, and this is a holiday gift from me to you, let's make this our last festive styling together and use cranberry branches. Now the bottom of the scene isn't really going to be seen as much in the final photo, so I actually want to lift this branch up. How can we do that? Well, by giving its own riser. Props can use risers too, you know. See how much better this looks? Now let's just keep adding more. So the whole point of this is to surround the product with the same type of prop. You could say encircling it. As you see, this is actually a pretty simple styling, but the final result will be extremely eye-catching. It even looks pretty complex, but it's actually pretty relaxing to do. Here's the final shot before I crop it, and here's what it looks like when it's cropped. Now let's talk about a few other elements that make this photo look so great. The first thing is that both of my surfaces are white in color. For this photo, I'm using white lights and gloss white. But when I first styled this, I actually used natural walnut, which is one of my favorite surfaces. But once I switched to using two white surfaces, it made my prop stand out and it just added that wow look. From these two photos, I did end up propping one of my branches up, which added room to add another branch at the bottom, which is the whole point, encircling the product as much as we can. Another important thing to point out is how all of my props are actually pointing towards my product. This is forming leading lines. So I leave you with a question. What prop would you use for this technique? Let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and a happy holidays to you all. Bye!